If it's a third party that's answering and they're like, can I take a message? I would pivot more to an insight, right? Russ and I are connected because we're both former chief pilots. There's something going on right now that every chief pilot is having to deal with, especially in the regional airspace. I just wanted to make sure, I can't remember what the guy's name was, Kevin or whoever it was. I just wanted to make sure he was aware of what's going on. Let me give you my mobile number, right? And you're gonna find, is it gonna work 100% of the time? No. But if you just say, hey, I just wanted to let them know about what we're doing, it's a sales call and they did their job as blocking, right? If it's an issue, there's a little devil that's gonna pop up on their shoulder and go, okay, 75% chance this is probably just a sales call. What if it's the 25% chance that this is something, and this comes back on me 3 months ago, and this guy gets connected with this Kyle guy, and Captain Adam comes back to me and is like, why didn't you pass that message on from Kyle? We just got hit with 14 FAA fines because we didn't know what was going on. He was trying to tell me about this, right? So I'm not saying lie or paint a picture of doom and gloom, but it's amazing how a gatekeeper will pass your stuff on if you do these two things. Number one, start with a compliment. Man, I just got to tell you, I work with a ton of organizations. You guys are spot on. You're doing awesome. I was going to let Adam know that the entire team, you guys, hats off. It's great. Hey, Adam and I are connected both through the North American Pilots Association. There is something going on that every regional airline is having to deal with right now. I just want to make sure he was aware of it. Can I give you my mobile to pass on to him? I just want to give him a heads up on what's going on. Right now, I said, I'm not going to talk smack about the gatekeeper, him or her team or whoever's team, right? And I'm going to pass on some valuable information. So that's a good way to leave it with a gatekeeper in hopes to get a callback. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm about to give you my closing mini masterclass absolutely free for you. Click the link here and I'm going to cover the $300. You're going to know how to close. Life is about to get a lot easier for you. No strings, no catches. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass for free right here, right now. I'll see you on the other side.